Hello everyone, welcome to LeetCode Weekly, where every week we cover a few LeetCode problems. Here we have a nice short, easy problem. Problem 3708, longest Fibonacci subarray. We're given an array, nums, of positive integers. A Fibonacci subarray is a contiguous sequence such that the third and subsequent terms are equal to the sum of the two preceding terms, so essentially just a Fibonacci sequence. And our goal is to return the length of the longest Fibonacci subarray in a nums array that was supplied. So some important observations we need to make is that any subarray of length 1 or 2 is always valid. And for a length greater than or equal to 3, the property is that each element is the sum of the previous two, which we were given in the instructions. And because the array can be very large, we need an O(n) solution. So for our strategy for this is quite simple. We can iterate from index 2 to the end of the array, and we can check if each element is equal to the sum of the previous two elements. If it is, we can extend the current subarray, and update the Fibonacci length that we've found so far. This works because we only need contiguous subarrays, and we can check the Fibonacci condition in O1 at each step. So let's start by initializing a variable n, which will be the length of the numbers. This is for our loop that we'll do soon. And first we're going to check if n is less than 3. If it is, return n, because we've been told that subarrays of length 1 or 2 are always Fibonacci. Then we'll initialize two variables. Max len is equal to 2. So this means that the max length of Fibonacci has to be at least 2 in our current what we found. And then car len is also equal to 2, since that's the current length of the Fibonacci subarray that we're going to be going through. Then we'll start doing our loop. For I in range 2, n, since we're starting from the third element, so the second index, if nums at I is equal to nums I minus 1 plus nums I minus 2, then we're going to add to the current length and update the max length as well. Else we need to reset our current length back to 2, since we've reached the end of the current Fibonacci sequence and we need to reset it essentially. And once this loop is done, we can return max length. So let's test this. And yep, it's been accepted. If we submit it now. And yep. Thanks for tuning into LeetCode Weekly. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to like and drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching.